Hello everyone! Today I will be showing how to make quinoa. How to cook quinoa at home perfectly. So this is my quinoa pouch. As you can see, very little left. Quinoa is good alternative for rice because this one have fiber and protein, which rice only have carbohydrates. This also have carbohydrates, but compared to rice, it's much less and better option. So, let's go! So guys, I take 1/4 cup of quinoa. The secret to make a better quinoa is that, quinoa is a little bit bitter. So you have to wash it in a flowing water. You get a strainer, put there the quinoa, and let the water run through it for around 15 to 30 seconds. And also, while the water is running, you have to mix it. So you make sure that every quinoa gets soaked with water or get washed up. So that is the first tip to make a yummy quinoa. And next, so I already have here, this is the one that I already washed. And I let it dip. So all the water go out. Because the next step is we are going to roast it. Not much, a little bit. We are going to roast it. So the next step is we are going to roast the quinoa. So we make this pot a little bit hot. Okay. Then we will pour the quinoa that we strained. Have to pour all. And then we're going to mix it so all the water evaporates. So since this pot don't have a handle, I'm using this to grip so I don't get burned. Okay, now we make the flame high. You turn on the flame on a high level. So this time, the process of water evaporation becomes faster. And you can see the quinoa. Getting roasted. Okay, so there is no more water left. So at this point, you have to put the flame in a low level. So this is now low flame. This is the moment where we are going to add flavor. So what I'm using is just a black pepper and salt. I put more salt because I like it to be a little bit salty. So and then we're going to mix up again. Mix it up that all of it gets coated in the quinoa. Okay, so at this point, we're going to add oil. So I am using olive oil, so just put a little bit. Yes. Can you hear a quinoa? And then, for more healthy option, we are going to add a pinch of turmeric. And again, we're going to spread it out. If you don't have olive oil, you can also use coconut oil. For more healthy options, especially when you are on keto diet. So this time, we're going to add water. So I am going to add 1 cup of distilled water. I'm going to mix it. Then we have to leave it there for about 5 minutes. The quinoa that is left, there is also a seal zip, but this is not enough. You have to put it in a tight container as well. So I use this peanut butter container. I put there the quinoa. And I lock it out. So my quinoa is safe. It have to be sealed so you preserve the taste of the quinoa. So this is the quinoa, guys. Have to mix it. And then you put on a cover. Like that. I'm making my food. My daughter is cooperating and she's playing there with alcohol. She's spraying it all over the house. Say hi! Hi! So now guys, we're going to check our quinoa. Yes! It's done already. See? So now for 1 minute, we are going to let it like this. Open. We are not going to cover it anymore. So all the remaining water will evaporate. We're just going to mix it up. This is our quinoa already. Finished product. You know that this is already finished when it becomes all fluffy. See, this is now perfect. So we're going to turn off the flame. And it is now ready. So we have to let it here first because it's still super hot. Oh, this is our quinoa, guys. A perfect quinoa that can easily make at home. And it's very healthy because we put turmeric and olive oil. But if you are in keto, you can also use coconut oil. So that is it, guys. I just want to share a few information about quinoa. Because quinoa also have a good source of amino acid. And what amino acid that is excellent in quinoa is what we call the lysine. Lysine is good in synthesizing the protein in our body. Also, quinoa have a very rich fiber, which promote healthy weight. And quinoa have an excellent source of iron. You know, iron is essential part of the hemoglobin. Our hemoglobin is the one carries oxygen to our blood, which is essential for cell functioning throughout our body. And It also have vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps reduce the coronary heart disease, a certain cancer, and several eye disorder, especially when we are getting older, that we are already having problem in our eyes like presbyopia, like that. So eating quinoa can help you lessen all those risks. And lastly, quinoa also have a high source of, guess what? Guess what, guys? So if you know something, leave it in a comment section below. I would love to read it and hear from you guys. So you tell me, which one do you prefer? Quinoa or rice? Or you mix and match? Because me, I mix and match it together. Sometimes I eat quinoa, sometimes I eat rice. But if you are on vegan or healthy diet that is really, into your diet, go for quinoa. So that is it, guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to help my channel grow. So see you next time. Going to eat now.